Good morning, I'm Alberto Rossetti, I come from Parma in Italy. I'm executive chef of Brunello restaurant inside the Baglioni Hotel in London, Kensington. And today we prepare a very typical Italian risotto. We start with a pan with a little bit extra virgin olive oil for toast the rice. It's more important, don't skip this step, because the rice is more creamy and more al dente. We toast the rice for 1 minute and put inside the vegetable stock. I make this stock only with the water, onion, celery and carrots and boil all together for 1 hour. I use Carnaroli rice because it's more stark, so the risotto is more creamy. If the rice absorb more stock before the end of 15 minutes, top it up with more stock. Cook it for 15 minutes. I prepare the grated Parmesan cheese and the shaving for use in the end of the recipe. And now leave it to cook for 15 minutes. Stir it every few minutes so it's cooked well. The rice is ready. Take it off the heat and add 2 teaspoons of whipping cream, the Parmesan cheese and 10 grams of butter. And stir it all together. And the rice is ready to serve. I serve this rice with a slice of Parmesan cheese I think this simple Italian risotto can be the base for your creativity. It's possible to add some saffron, mushroom and vegetable for another type of risotto. This is my simple Italian and classic risotto. Ciao!